everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to my introduction for Colourpan. This is my third year. I can't believe we're starting the third year of this project. So this project was created by May, and it's basically what it is. It is what it is. It do what it do. It is a project so we can use our Colourpan 4th Ray or Soul Body products. If you're like me, I have a lot. Colourpop is affordable. They always have things on sale. I'm obsessed with a couple of their formulas. So yeah, anywho. So this is a Fantastic Ladies collab. So you can sign up down below if you want to, but you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join in with us. So it's 3 to 6 products rolling. You set your own goals. So I've only had a chance to watch 2 intros. So Allie is doing No Pan Left Behind on all of her eyeshadows, which I think is a brilliant idea. And then Jessica, I believe, is trying to finish some Super Shocks, which is good luck. I'm still working on one from a year and a half ago. She pans a little bit better than I do, a little bit faster than I do with face products and stuff. So I think she'll get it done. But yeah. So, hi. I'm filming this at 6 p.m. on January the 18th. Oh yeah, it starts today, January 18th. It goes through December 18th, 2024. It's an 11-month project. Give us a month to, kind of take a breather. I don't know about you guys, but there's not a lot of painting that goes on in the month of December, other than starting the projects at the end of the month. So yeah. If you're interested in a get ready with me and a life update, just let me know. You can leave me a comment down below. And if you don't want to, then you can, or if you don't want one, you can check out my updates on my At Home with Misty channel. Okay, so let's start with one product that is an original OG day one of this project 3 years ago, and that's this. If you're new to me, new to my channel, I color code my projects. So this is Colourpan 50 Shades of Yellow Revolution. So I just bought a big old bag of these dots off Amazon, and that way I can keep things straight. This is the More is More blush stick. You can see where we started, way up there, and I still have this much left. If you're new around these parts, I basically haven't, I'm still at that bottom line. I haven't really worn makeup the last couple of months. I just put this face on, but look at this eye look. Oh, the Inslee Rain Cold Moon palette. Has nothing to do with this, Misty. I don't care. I want to show it. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. It's expensive, but it's gorgeous. Look at these duochromes and multi-chromes. Anyway, that's what's on my eyes today because I figured someone will ask me. So my goal is to finish this. Now, if you're painting something like this too, these do not melt well. Like, don't melt it. So once I get down, I may not dig this out. We'll have to see what kind of mood I'm in once we get there. It's a beautiful shade. It's very reminiscent of Tarte Frosé or NARS Orgasm, where it's that kind of peachy to gold shift. I love their blush stick formula. I think it's beautiful. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. And yeah, that's in to finish. I am finishing. That will be finished this year. I hope this will be finished by the end of the second quarter, like the end of June, maybe even. So we'll see. But yeah. I'm gonna bring in this. That's my second product. This is the Starlight blush stick, nope, highlighter stick. And I am in the same boat with this one. This was in Throwback 30 last year, I think. Have I made any progress? No. So this is where we were. This is where I'm starting. My goal is to finish this. I don't think that will happen this year. I just don't think that will happen this year at all. So I'm not going to even like set that as a goal. These take forever. Even if I wasn't painting other things, it would still take forever. So yeah, I'm gonna put this blush back on. So this is the highlighter. You can see it's kind of like a more, I would say a more kind of taupey gold. And then this is the blush. So blush is in the finish. I would really like to finish this highlighter. I just don't see it happening this year. Product number 3 is this. This is the Pretty Fresh concealer. As you can see, these not my shade. This ain't it. Listen, Linda. That's making a comeback. I don't know why. Is light, is rural light, but I can mix it. I'm working on a couple of other concealers. I like this formula. It's just really hard for me to find a shade that works for me. So I don't know that I would repurchase this. I do enjoy the formula. I love the foundation, but I need to pan a foundation like I need to pan a hole in my head. So that's product number 3 in the finish. Product number 4 is the lip oils. Now, year before last, so not this last Colourpan, but the year before that, like I was trying to get through these lip oils and they were going rancid on me. So hopefully these don't. It smells pretty good. I'm going to try to get all of these done this year, so we'll see how we do. So this is product number 4. 5 and 6. I think I counted 13 quads from Colourpop. So what I plan to do is to try to hit a pan in each one each month. So we're starting with, let me show you my new glasses. Cannot see that. Ta-da! Aren't these fancy? I like them. Okay, so this is The Secret Life of Scorpio. It's kind of a really, I thought this would be perfect for this time of year. I almost wore this palette today, but I didn't. So there's a look at the colors. This is kind of a duochrome. Oh, it's so pretty. They thought they were going to get me with that Twilight, and then it sold out. That might be the prettiest palette they've produced in a while. That isn't the same thing they've produced over and over and over again. And I'm interested in trying their newest formula, that kind of glittery color, but not today. And then I have Tender Loving Cancer. I know 2 cancers, and one of them is Fantabulous, and the other one's my mother's. Not. So again, my goal is going to be to hit pan in one of the shades. I'm going to try to make myself at least hit one matte in like half of them. So maybe 7 of them I can hit pan in a shimmer, and 6 of them I have to hit pan in a matte. I think that might be the easiest way to do it. And these may be the 2 I work on now, but I may bring more in. I'm not really sure. So yeah, that's it. That's it. This was a little all over the place. Okay, so let's recap. More is more. Year 3 into finish. Starlight, would like to finish. Not hopeful, but we'll give it our try. Lip oil, want to finish. Concealer, want to finish. And I want to hit pan in each of my quads. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Feel free to jump on this. Like I said, it starts today, or started today. You don't have to be a Fantastic lady. You don't even have to own a lot of Colourpop. You can have, 3 or 4 items and work your way through it. And again, you set your own goals. I like to keep my projects open-ended as possible because we don't all pan the same way. And I'm okay with that. You know what I mean? It's like I'm not going to force somebody to pan quickly or pan what they don't want to. I just think that's weird. So yeah, okay, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. That's it. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can follow me over on Instagram. I ain't been on Instagram in forever. And I knew that because last night I sent my husband like 5 reels and my other friend like 18 reels because she's an artist. And anytime I see something cool, I try to send it to her. And then I was like, I can tell I haven't been on Instagram in a while. I've just been, TLDR, 2024 sucked so far. We're 18 days in and this has been just as bad or worse than 2023. And I am trying to figure out if I need to see a shaman or something to help because we're getting to that point. But yeah. So anyway, let me know if you'd like to get ready with me. I could use my Inslee Rain palettes if you were interested in seeing that. That's enough jibber jabber for me today. So I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. Oh, tag me if you do this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.